Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. Didn't see you there. What's going on? Yeah. Let me log into some accounts. Keegan, V33, Trend Friend, Taylor, AS. Uh-oh. It's not working anymore. Damn it. Oh, there we go. I'm in my office. I'm in my office, guys. I'm naked and afraid trading these markets. We're here at Lake Degen. DBT, Crank, Ron here in his garage. Palmy, Lake Degen, guys. Great destination. Great destination. Don't mind me. Just trying to log into some accounts. I did trade a little bit before. I had to go to the other house. I had to go to the house of Degen and meet with some fucking vendors. And it's not around the corner. It's like 25 minutes away if I don't hear traffic. And I'm fucking running on like 2 or 3 hours of sleep tops. You heard? I don't know why I'm logging into all these accounts. I don't think I'm going to trade all of them. Shit, I might not trade any of them. You know what I'm saying? You heard? Can you feel me? All right. I love gold. Look at gold. Just a casual 160, 170 tick bounce. Nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here. It's too easy. Yash, JMU. Big key. No, this is Lake Degen. We're at Lake Degen, guys. Yeah, we're going to trade accounts. I hope. This is all I've traded so far because I just got home a little while ago and I traded this fucker. I hit the daily loss limit earlier today for Wednesday session. This is Thursday session. I'm going to stop here. Really fucked me up because I was cruising along. The most the account was up was 1,529. But you know what? I'm still green, and I just gave myself another $567 worth of drawdown. I'm good for the day. And it's my third day of $100 or more. I think you need a minimum of 5, but I got a ways to go. Yeah, just a casual move. Maximus. No, I'm at Lake Degen. I actually posted a short. The first video from the new house. I posted a short walking around in my backyard. I say, ZERODAYJAY here in my backyard. Maybe I'll trade my bulenox. I called it the house of Degen. Look at the NQ. Oh, yikes. Let's look at the hourly. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, Becky. It's got such a long way to go down. Maybe it comes to the previous days. Is this the previous day's high? Yeah. We went up to 25,400. What the fuck? Oh. Let's trade this. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Let's go back to gold. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the NQ. I don't know how I feel about gold either. We'll put an order here. And here. And we'll just wait like patient little boys and girls. Because that's the funded account. What up, Crank? Dan Emmons. Micah. Yeah, we were at the trailer, not the house. When am I going to stream from the Bada Bing? I don't know, man. There's going to be time. It's not fucking wired for Ethernet, which blows. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the whole mesh network thing. I don't know if I'm going to use Google's, but I'm going to use something. And from what I understand, I could fucking hardwire into the mesh that's like whatever extender I have plugged into my, like, where I'm going to be working from. But I wanted to run like Ethernet and like maybe put a network in there with Ethernet ports. But man, that's just going to be a fuck ton of money. And I just don't want to be fucking cutting holes in walls and ceilings and shit. It's not the type of thing you want to do after the fact. It's something you want to do when the house is being framed. And this house was built when they weren't doing shit like that. So, worst case, I just move the router into the office where I'm going to be streaming from and just plug straight into the router and do it that way. I just don't necessarily want it there. I guess we're not coming back here. This thing just wants to go up. We're at the VWAP. We're at the VWAP. J Min. Eric J, what up? JJ. Yeah, I'm looking to do that. That's what I'm kind of looking to do here. That's why I have the orders down here. I just don't know if it's going to pull back this much. We got the VWAP. We got the 5-minute 21. Let me draw a happy little Fibonacci here. I mean, we got to... plus, like, I missed a fuck ton of the move. 224. It's up almost 200 ticks. Yeah, I thought about that, DBT. That's like another option. I'm gonna try the path of least resistance first. What up, Marco? Longhorn, what's good? Well, what happens is, yeah, for the first three payouts, you need to get over 20, anything over 20. Well, what size account? Let's just say 50Ks for argument's sake. You on the first three payouts, you got to get to 2,600 before you can request at least 500. Oh shit, maybe I'll get it. Maybe I get filled. Can you fill me? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to go down that far. Go kick some rocks. What up? Zayback. I'm just glad I didn't get in here because right now it looks like gold is just forming a cuck zone. You know, we love getting trapped in cuck zones, right? It's so much fun. Look at this. We're just in a cuck zone right now. Will it break out? I think so, but you know, who knows? Unless it's going to happen right now. What's the NQ doing? No problem, Longhorn. Oh, Zaybak, no doubt, bro. I'll talk loud enough into my MacBook Pro so you could fucking stay awake. What? Hey, if you don't mind me asking, Zaybak, I always I looked it up, the average, like what you could expect to make per hour doing it. I'm sure you could optimize it, but like, what are you making, like $18 to $22 an hour per? Let's say, I don't know. It probably also depends on where you live. Doing that shit, I'm just curious because I just wondered. Unless Zaybak fell asleep already, it's too late. Just hope he wasn't driving when it happened. See, it's just, I don't know. Tyler, Preneur X, what up, man? Just ask. Oh shit, I gotta fucking send Fred some money. It broke the cuck zone. Is it gonna go higher? Yeah, I know. I saw it. I saw that, Dan. Yeah, yeah, Zayback. I figured that because Dan was doing a bunch of that shit, and he had a whole fucking system of how to optimize his earnings and shit like that. I remember when he was doing it, when he was pretty active with it. I remember talking to some dude that was an Uber driver in Vegas. He would when there's like fucking events going on and festivals, he would tell me, he's like, I'd pull in like 1,500 on a weekend. I'm like, fuck, man, that's fucking really good. Big key. How long did it take my channel to take off? Um, has it taken off really? I feel like I'm just getting started. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly, Dan. Yep. It seems like Zayback is doing is on the same wavelength as you. Tyson, what up? No, here Tyson. Here's the session. The session is from 6 p.m. Eastern the night before. So we are in Thursday's session right now. It starts at 6 p.m. Eastern, and then it ends at 5 p.m. Eastern the following day. 23 hours. So Wednesday night is Thursday, and Thursday session starts the night before 6 p.m. Eastern. It ends Thursday at 5 p.m. when I'm trading during power hour. Big key. Oh, dude. The Discord, I didn't even set the Discord up. I didn't even set that shit up. This thing is just grinding up, man. This shit, I hate when it fucking moves like this. But look, it's up 37 from this little fucking wick down. Is it up that much? It's like fucking 70 something points. Yo, that's a more accurate representation of what the fuck is happening here. All right, time to fucking draw some happy Fibonacci's again. Are we at the 618 yet? Maybe. I don't know. My channel, I just feel like my channel, I didn't start streaming until I was like 5 or 6 months into having my channel. And I had a decent amount of subscribers by then, maybe 1,000. But I don't know, it just kind of just took a life of its own when I started streaming because I met some really fucking awesome people who are like a lot of you guys hang out on a bunch of other streams, but you showed up on my stream, like a handful of you, and you guys stuck around. 618. Oh fuck. You guys stuck around. And that just kept happening. To the point that we'll have as many as 350, 360 people on the stream sometimes at the same time. And then when there was like 10 to 15 guys hanging out all the time, they all were vibing with each other. Obviously they were vibing with me, but we were all like super fucking, like, I don't know. It was just super fucking chill. The vibe was fucking great. And they're like, oh, we need a Discord so we could hang out after the stream's over. So like we all kind of found each other. You know what I mean? It's hard to explain. Only like you got like, especially for people who were there basically since day one, when I like even before I started streaming, but when I started streaming especially, like they know what I'm talking about. It kind of just took a life of its own. And yeah, my channel, I don't even have like I'm about to hit what am I about to hit? I'm closing in on 9,000 subscribers. 2,000 of them were fucking all fake because some fuckhead was sending fake shit to me for like a week. But, it's not that big, but I get a good turnout considering the size of my stream because it's not the size of your hammer. It's how you throw it at the nail. What's up, Nayo? Yeah, JJ. I just don't like when it moves slow like that. I can't. May 2000. Yeah, I started streaming in April 2024. I remember I would come on at night during London just to see if anyone would even hop on my stream. And during the day, I was getting like 10 to 20 people. And then like the first few times it would go, it'd be like 3 people, and then they'd leave because no one else was on. And then like all of a sudden, look at that 618. Look at that. It's right on the fucking line. And it went down 50 ticks. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Tyler. Hey. Who cares if it's bent like a fucking it actually might look like a hammer. But who cares? Martin Suarez. You like that? Hey, this is for those of you that are just tuning in. I am lakefront at Lake Degen. This is Lake Degen, guys. Fucking beautiful, right? This is my new house. That's what you get to see every time I stream now. That's it's Lake Degen. Konija, Crank, Tickle, what up? Bowser. Bowser, did you find me because of Dr. Dollar, or you were already hanging out on Prop Firm streams anyway, probably? Remember that fucking night? All these people came in and were like, Dr. Dollar loves you. Dr. Dollar loves you. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? It was the craziest shit ever. That's how you found me, from fucking Dr. Dollar? That's crazy. Shout out to Dr. Dollar, by the way. And I was like so confused. I was like getting annoyed. I thought like they were all trolling me. It was the dumb. I was like, what the fuck? And then I was like, and then I fucking went on, like I commented on that stream. I was like, yo, bro, I was totally confused what was going on, but I really appreciate the love, man. Yeah, and me and him have been cool ever since. I haven't seen him on my stream in a while, but he's super chill. It was fucking hilarious because I didn't know what the fuck was going on, and then I finally caught on. All right, see you later. See you later, Ron. Ron. I'm just gonna call you Ray Finkel. I don't even know if he's a real person, but it's just weird. It's like, what do you want me to do? You want me to just we haven't gone anywhere. You want me to just get in a trade just to get in a fucking trade with funded bulenox accounts? I'm good. I'll wait. I'll wait for something. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to wait for it to come all the way down here because I don't know if it will. Maybe I won't take a trade at all. I feel like I missed this boat. I don't know. I'm not feeling what's going on right now. I'm not picking up what gold is putting down. And the NQ is kind of like not really fucking moving right now. Yeah. Josh. Either that or he's just trolling. I'm still trying to figure him out. Not that I give a fuck. The only thing that makes me wonder is because he literally them literally created their account like a day ago. But whatever. It's fine. But once again, what was I supposed to do? Go long here? Maybe I should have went long at the fucking top. I like that. I like that we're rejecting off the 618 though. Look at these candles. This is the 15-minute candle. Look at these fucking wicks. We're back at the VWAP. Wick fucking Central. Look at this shit. 15-minute candles. Gross. $618. I mean, technically, I could go from this low, but I don't want to nitpick. 618 is basically the bottom orb. Yeah, Maximus. Welcome to Lake Degen. Josh. I thought you were going to sleep, Josh. Second wind. Yo, he probably got out. Unless he got in up here and is just waiting for it to go back down. Hoping. Yeah. You like that, Stoic? It's Lake Degen. 4026. Nice, Bowser. That's a fucking. You're literally from the fucking bottom here. Yeah. We're about to we're about to make it unpeaceful. Yeah, I gotta download one. I gotta download one though. You seen Bowser's long what, DBT? You like that, Stoic? Yeah, this is fucking. We're just in a cuck zone. But the range. Don't sleep on this range. It's actually not that small. Like, look at this. 83. It's 57 ticks. DBT. Bro, what are you typing in the chat? Hey, what do you think, chat? I left Lake Degen. What's the NQ doing? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Look at this dildo candle. Yeah. K-Sun. Yash. Yeah, what's that all about? Is there news? Why is this on Financial Juice? Singapore jails Indian man who climbed condo balcony to touch a woman's toes. That's some market moving shit right there. Nate, DCA. But does it bounce? Or does it fucking fill this all the way down? I'm fucking exhausted. Let's see what happens. La chaos. Uh-oh. Rut-row. I guess I didn't. Maybe I should have let it go down a little further before I fucking put an order in. You think it wants to VWAP? Micah, maybe. Uh-oh. How's the new place? Empty. What's ES doing? Whoa. Uh-oh. I guess I'm blowing this eval. I got played, yo. Better this than a funded account. My funded account is fucking green as fuck. See? 567. Whatever happens to this is whatever. I'll get another one. Mamba Lambo. Yeah. Just been doing a lot of back and forth. We got a lot of shit to do there. Stacks. Not a bad idea. Nah. If you want that, Bowser and anyone else who wants the 90% off of wealth charts, you have to put in code wealth charts. That's how you get 90%, which means I don't get anything, but it's fine because it's 90%. 90% is 90%. I appreciate it for trying to use my code, and I appreciate the support. 80% off Tradeday and Rhythmic still works with the best code ZERODAYJAY. All right, that's Bowser, yeah. I'll let you be Big Spoon too. Only Waves, what up? I mean, it's through Apex's processing, so I bet, man. I bet if I ask Rob, it might be some internal thing though, like that can't be done. But if I ask Rob for a special code, he might be able to get me one. Corey, what up, bro? Yeah, I think this account's gonna get cooked. I fucked it up. I didn't have much drawdown to begin with because I hit the daily loss limit. What's fucked up is I was at like 22 or 2300 in profit earlier today, and I gave it all back and hit the not in one day. It was like overall. I was up pretty big today though, and I fucked it up. But this shit's a goner. I don't know. I just feel like it's not gonna work out. I got played. What the fuck is going on here? Oh man, gold is just going up. It's retesting the 618. Josh, yeah. You know what saved me though? K-Sun. It's gotten better. It's gotten better. I still like tradeday the most though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, is this gold about to break out? I'm fucking dicking around with the NQ. This is what I get for fucking with the NQ. It's just like, Josh, it's just like a starter account at My Fund the Futures. Only they don't take 20% of your payout now. And you could get more than 800 bucks. Yeah, it saved me today, bro, because for whatever reason, I traded very well across all of my funded accounts except for this one, and I hit the daily loss limit. And there's no telling what would have happened if I didn't have that daily loss limit. One of them is this. You can tell the difference between if they're funded or not. It'll say LTF for funded and LTE for eval. So this one on the top is a funded. I hit the daily loss limit during Wednesday session, which sucked after being up 1,500 bucks. But I got almost half of it back. So, I mean, I don't know. This thing is probably cooked. I fucked it up. I fucked up. It just doesn't want to die. Look at gold, man. It retested the VWAP and it's up 51 ticks. But look how slow it's moving. It's like I hate trading when it's like this. I don't like trading when it's moving like this. But that's just me. Oh, yeah, Josh. You know how many times? Oh, my God. Just fucking blow it already. Jesus. You know how many times I've hit the daily loss limit? Like on My Fund the Futures accounts, and then turn around and got paid anyway, whether it was on the eval side or on the funded side. I had a couple of funded accounts where I hit the daily loss limit like 2 or 3 times, and I still got fucking paid. It just set me back in terms of time. I couldn't get it done in 5 days. I had to fucking spread it out. Or past the eval. Yep. This one, I think this one's gonna get cooked though. It just looks like ass, and I fucking got played. I got played. It happens. It happens. I'm not getting my hopes up for anything to happen on this other than the account to blow, which is fine. My funded's good. I'm waiting to get filled here. I don't think I'm going to get filled on my bulenox accounts down here. I'm better off riding a fucking pullback. I just don't know if we're going to pull back at the 618 or we're going to go up to the 786 and then potentially pull back. Fuck yeah. What do you get to? Hold on. Actually, I was just looking at this. Are you requesting the max on it? So you need 5 days of at least $150 or more. There's a 35% consistency rule, but really, you got to get over the $3,100 buffer. The max you could take for the first 2 payouts of a $100K account is $2,000. So you're maxing out. Okay, no doubt. Trader J, what up? LTF, Lucid Trading funded. It's Lucid. 4,700. You needed it at 5,100. Why? Because of consistency. Oh, because you have to get to 3,100. Never mind. Yeah. to get 2,000, you need to get to 2,000 for the payout. You have to get to 5,100, which is fucking, think about it. On Apex, before they changed the rules, you had to get 5,100 on a 150K. Actually, you know what? That's actually better. That's better. But now, if you want the max payout on a 150K Apex, you have to get like 7,350. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm fucking the account. We're alive. Hold on. Let me fucking, before it decides to come all the way back. Yo. I thought I was done. Dude, I was down to like $11. I might have even flipped negative for a split second. Yeah, Top Step, 50%. If you want the max payout of $5,000 every week, every 5 days, you need to make 10 grand. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking, my fucking entry is resistance. How fucking awesome is that? Oh, My Fund the Futures did that with the scale plan. They added this add-on where if you get it, you could get a payout as much as you could get a payout as high as 6,000 on those scale plans. However, look at this guy. I told you guys. You guys should have. I hope you guys followed me into this trade. Oh, fuck. I was green for a second. I was green by 2 points. You have to make 12 grand to get that 6 grand from the My Fund the Future scale account with your free add-on. Use code ZERODAYJAY. The legacy plans are so much better. I'm sorry. I hate to say it, but it's true. I don't want to hurt Matt's feelings. I'm pretty sure Matt knows that the legacy plans are better. Let's be real. They know. I do like that you can get, the pro account, not the pro, the core account, I think it's the shortest path to a payout. The cheapest path to a payout also. Those things are like $67 after putting in the best code ZERODAYJ, or $71, and you could get paid in 5, after you pass. No activation fee. But let's be, the legacy accounts is just, I can't. Oh, fuck me. All right, whatever. It's not happening. I'll take my L here. It's 3.5 points. But man, this shit was down here in the gutter because of my awesome entry. Maybe it fills this fucking wick, this fucking pump. I just hope I'm still in it before it happens. Sly Fox. Unlimited access to the Focus Trader program. Yeah. Blues Trades, what's up? How you doing? The add-ons are actually free for now. Matt Leach, he's probably trading on the legacy plans too. The pro is the expert. I think that one's pretty much almost the same. You just can't pass in one day. Except for they take all the new plans. They take 20%. I think on the legacy, you still get to keep all of it up to your first 10,000 or some shit. I don't know. I don't really know. But I got subscriptions, active subscriptions for legacy plans. So I just wait for those to fucking rebuild if I don't pass them. They do pay fast as fuck, though, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Oh, my God. I'm fucking green. Come on. Pump this shit. Pump it. What's gold doing? Gold just keeps slowly fucking. It's a snooze fest, but look where it's at. From this VWAP, the VWAP bounce, it's up fucking 80 something ticks. And I'm over here fucking with my fucking, you know, twirling my sack. Although I shouldn't be complaining because I was literally, this account should have blown. Robin, trapped in this shit. Yeah, I'm probably going to get stopped out, but you know what? 3 points is better than fucking being completely liquidated. Because all it took was 9, because I'm in 4 minis. Mars. It's fucking sketchy. But it moves. It's look at these fucking moves. Like, we are up from this, it's not the low of day, but we are up from this spot 260 ticks in an hour, in a little bit more than an hour. Meanwhile, well, the NQ, aside from this little pop, nothing's really been going on with the NQ. Oh, need to hit 343 to pass your take profit trader. This is the New York low. Oh, dude, Bowser, you just reminded me to fucking check those off on my indicators. Oh, get the fuck up there. Give me 37 points. You love to see it. Oh, please keep going up. Please keep going up. Whatever. I'll just take this. From literally, that shit flipped negative. If you rewind the tape, it flipped negative for a split fucking second. Yeah, I'm out. Out for a game. Oh man, I'm the best fucking trader in the world. There's your proof right there. My entries are fucking second to none. Oh, now it's gonna go up. Whatever, I don't even care. Damn, it just keeps going. 270 ticks from this low here. Amazing. Fuck a rebuild. Fuck Cranbrook. Stats. He's probably drunk. Don't feel like dealing with that. Rain Cap, what up? Yeah, the trick with yeah, I heard Stoic. And you know what's crazy? People are going to give him fucking money. DM, what up? I don't think so. They were for a little while. They were for a little while letting you do ACH, but I think they got away from that. And I think they were even paying with crypto, but I think all they do is rise now. I would just hit up support. They're super responsive. Just hit up their chat. What up, Carlos? Yeah, Mars, the trick with that whole fucking thing. And I know obviously there's going to be people like shark traders that just know how to fucking get payouts. They're going to go in and just take money and get the fuck out and be gone and be done with it. And I get it. But there's going to be people that just are going to believe the bullshit just like they did the first time. And then they're going to be in the Discord sucking on, licking the peanut butter off his nuts, hoping they get their payout again. The guy shouldn't even be allowed to have a fucking company in this space. It's crazy. But Mars, the trick with gold is maybe size down so you could widen your stop, because it will go on it. Like, let's say you, like, look right here. You see what happened here? It does this a lot. So you probably thought it was going to come down to retest the low here. Let's just say, because I've had this happen. I don't know if that's what you thought happened, but people will think that it's going to come down and retest the low right then and there. But it will go on a fucking detour for 150 ticks before it comes down even lower and gets much closer to sweeping that low before it either bounces or continues down. But shit like this happens all the time in both directions. It goes on these fucking detours, and it doesn't give you what you want when you think you're supposed to get it. Gold is notorious for that shit. Yeah, I mean, I do size down when I trade gold most of the time. Instead of 2 or 3 minis, it's 1 or 2 minis. But for anybody else who's not a fucking degenerate fucking idiot, you might want to size down, because also gold, like, these random fucking candles will happen right here, like a 2 or 3 candle stretch, and it's like 80 ticks. 80 ticks on 1 mini is $800, either for you or against you. And it could happen like fucking, you snap your fingers. I can't even snap my fingers with this finger because it's fucking fucked up. Bowser, the fucking fuck them traders guy. His name's not even worth saying. He used to love saying my name, though. He'd send his little fucking groupies over here to talk shit. I don't see those guys around anymore. I don't see them around anymore. You're better off just doing fraud online. Yeah, I don't fuck with crude. I don't fuck with crude. But look, you see that little drop there? We just went down 30 ticks. It's $10 per tick per mini. And it's $1 per micro. Bowser, we'll see, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And look, we're all talking about it. So it's just a matter of time before people actually give them their hard-earned Tron coin and Cole's cash. I used to talk so much shit about hey, but I was right. They didn't even last 6 fucking months. What a fucking joke. What up, Just My Style? They don't have an inconsistent. I haven't seen anyone get dinged for inconsistent position sizing. Yeah, look, chaos. Gold don't fuck around. I haven't seen that, but they do have that scaling rule. So never trade until you're over the buffer. Don't trade more than half of your max allowable contracts. Vivian, what's up? Chuck E. Cheese, please. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. If he was here, he would tell you. I don't think I'm gonna get filled here, down here. Not while I'm on the stream. What's NQ doing? Yeah, NQ kind of fizzled out, but it did go up another almost 5 points from where I got taken out. Yeah, the Yankees are out. Phillies are just fighting for their lives. They better save some of those runs for the next game. Look, 618. It's so crazy. It just never fucking, it's just, it happens all the time. The golden shower pocket. Where are we at here? 707? 786? Watch this. Watch this. You're going to love my nuts. Watch this. You're going to love my nuts. It depends on where I draw it from. Well, I got to draw it from there. Up 786. Just missed hitting the 786. Just a tip. Eight one. You know what Philly's fucking hurting? They don't have Zach Wheeler. They need Zach Wheeler. Oh, we hit a home run off of Yamamoto and Kershaw. Schwarber's fucking crazy. Yamamoto got touched up. Kershaw got lit. Kershaw should not pitch in the playoffs. He's not a good playoff pitcher. He gets rocked like almost every fucking year he pitches in the playoffs. Fucking rocked. Eddie. Peyton Kershaw. Another guy. You would think that Peyton Manning would have like fucking as many Super Bowl rings as fucking Tom Brady. Oh. He's got a vendetta, huh, Carlos? I heard about that. He's a fucking really good player. He's one of the rare guys in the league that doesn't strike out more than 100 times. He doesn't strike out that much. Yeah, I mean, Schwarber's great. I would love to have Schwarber on my team. Bryce Harper is a solid hitter. But there's a big drop-off. There is a big drop-off after, like, Bohm. Real Muto's not really that good of a hitter anymore. You got Trey Turner, Schwarber, Harper, Bohm, maybe Real Muto. I mean, Bader's not bad. Harrison Master Bader, he's not bad. He had a good year for them. He got traded. He was a deadline acquisition. The Mets let him go instead of re-signing him and got Jose Siri, who absolutely sucks fucking donkey dick. I hate David Stearns. I fucking hate that guy. Yeah, see, I'm glad I got out. I mean, will we go up more? Maybe. Seven, 8-6. I mean, Harper's a first ballot Hall of Famer. They all strike out too much. They all fucking strike out. Like, let's see. Ohtani. People think Ohtani's the best hitter in baseball. I think Judge is a better hitter than him, but either way, watch this. Ohtani struck out 187 times this year, but he also hit 55 home runs, and his OPS was over 1,000. Watch this. What? Ohtani struck out the third most in the National League with 187 strikeouts. Oh, yeah, I got out. I'm glad I got out. You see that? I was fucking dead in the water with this account, too. Oh, JJ, yeah. Ohtani's the best player in the world, but Judge is the best hitter in the world by far. Not by much, but he's no joke. Soto's right up there with them too. Soto don't fuck around. Alexander, what up? Sam, yeah, Eddie. Sammy Sosa was. You know who else struck out a lot? Fucking Babe Ruth. Moravsky. How hard can it be? What are you doing up here? Down here, I mean. You know who didn't strike out a lot and was the best hitter ever? Barry Bonds. He didn't strike out a lot at all. The only year he struck out more than 100 times in a season was his rookie year. We were talking about this on another stream. This shit's holding. I don't know for how long, though. Johnny. I can't believe I missed this whole fucking run up with gold. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Life for 12 Dogs. What's up? Thanks for popping in. I hope you're still here. at least for me to say hello. Yeah, this shit, this is the problem with, this is how it is most of the time. It just doesn't fucking move, and we literally sit here and watch fucking paint dry. What's up, Lee? Have I ever fucked with copper? No. I may have, like, for shits and giggles, but I don't trade it. Piece of cake, Johnny. Just wait. Just wait, man. You'll see it. Just whatever you do, don't try to get 50 bucks from a tiny move. Try to, like, don't try to scrape out 50 bucks. Like, wait for, like, what you think is going to be a bigger move. And that's how you'll get your 50 bucks. Damn. Look at gold. See, look. 36, 35 ticks, 37 ticks. Shit. Let me cancel these orders because I don't even know if I'm going to be awake when this shit fucking, if it ever comes down this far. Yeah, gold's crazy. Gold, I mean, gold is just being gold. You know who was a great hitter? Fucking, and he's not in the Hall of Fame, which is, I think, is fucking bullshit. Fucking Manny Ramirez. Albert Bell, too. Both of those guys are not in the Hall of Fame. That was the dip buy, I guess. Yeah, DBT. Should have bought the dip, guys. Fuck, man. Just ain't right. Mwah! T. Rose was great. We all know why he didn't get in the Hall of Fame. I think he was already in the Hall of Fame. I don't even know, and they took his ass out. Well, he's in now. He's dead. The Yankees won Game 3, and that's it. They're out. Interesting. Yeah, he's back. He's back. He's got, they banned him until he died. And then when he died, they put him in. Talk about being a fucking degenerate. But hey, Ohtani got away with it. But Ohtani was the face of the league. So they let him they put it on as an interpreter. I had no idea. I had no idea. My fund the futures doesn't let you trade gold. Is that new? I think you have to you might have to like activate that fucking data inside the members area. I've traded gold with my fund the futures. I don't know, guys. I can't fucking, I don't know. It ain't happening for me. Yeah, I've traded gold on my fund the futures through a legacy account, but I don't think that matters. Yeah, Dan. I was hoping before it got over the VWAP, I was hoping for it to like pull back and fill me and then go back up, but it never happened. It just kept going. And from that spot where I thought, hey, I might have a chance, we are up over 200 ticks. Right Investments, what up? Yeah, he says they do allow gold. They do. You just have to activate the fucking data from inside your members area. If you're not sure where to go, just hit up support. They're super helpful. Yeah, it's not. I can't even fucking. I missed the opportunity, and I don't know. Like any of this shit. Like this could have dropped here. I don't fucking trust this shit. NQ ain't fucking doing a damn thing. You know, I got lucky to get out. I did do good work. I got this up 567, so I recovered almost half of what I gave back today for Wednesday session. So that's cool. I'm not going to touch this for the rest of the day. I'm done with that. Pine Tree, what up? Nice job, right? Yeah, they pay fast, right? That's what I love about my fund of futures is how fast they fucking pay. Yeah, Dan, I don't know. I'm fucking exhausted. So as much as I want to hang out with you guys longer, I got to fucking go like lay down or something because I can barely keep my eyes open. Doom Lord. Oh, man. Sorry, man. I'm hopping off. You're hopping on. But smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte, please. If you got to grab accounts, Apex 80% off, $85 lifetime activation fee. Take Profit Trader 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Day 30% off with no activation fee. Lucid 40% off. There is no activation fee. And bulenox 83% off with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Tell them, Doom. They messed it up. Central. Yeah, you like that shit? But yeah, you're hopping on and I'm hopping off. But I appreciate you guys. I will be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Maybe I'll get on earlier if I don't have too much running around to do. So with that said, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your night.